Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're gonna be doing vanilla cake. I actually got this vanilla cake recipe from Yolanda's cookbook, How to Cake It, and trust me, this recipe has never failed me. Like every time I bake it, it comes out so good. When I talk about this cake being good, I really mean it because I've had a lot of issues with putting buttercream on cake, maybe leveling the cakes and everything, but this particular cake, the texture is just perfect for a simple layered buttercream cake. Always make sure before baking you have your ingredients all at room temperature. So let's go ahead and put our butter into our stand mixer. You could use a hand mixer if you want, whatever you have available. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar to the butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and use the paddle attachment to beat for about 8 minutes until fluffy. While our butter and sugar is beating, let's go ahead and break 4 large eggs in a bowl and equally mix our dry ingredients. If you're in Cameroon, for example, you could use 3 large eggs because the eggs in Cameroon are seemingly bigger than the ones in the United States, so you could beat 3 eggs, it's still gonna be fine. Let's go ahead and cut our parchment paper with which we're gonna line the bottom of our cake pan. Let's go ahead and add the eggs, adding 2 at a time and beating until the addition is well incorporated before adding the next. Scrape down the sides of your bowl with a rubber spatula when necessary. So fam, let's go ahead and add our flour in 4 parts, alternating with our whole milk in 3 parts, and making sure each addition blends well before we add the next. Go ahead and scrape the batter into your prepared cake pan and spread until smooth. Bake for about 40 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle of your cake comes out clean. So fam, our cake is ready. Go ahead and transfer your cake to a wire rack and let it cool. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Take care. See you next week. God bless you.